Hey there, Butch Zemar here. This is the first video of a 7-part series of the 7 biggest mistakes that people make while buying their own health insurance. We'll get into another video why private insurance is better than group, but for now, the first video we're going to talk about when you're buying private insurance is deductibles. A lot of people focus on lower deductibles. They don't want the higher exposure, but the reality of the matter is by the time you meet your deductible, you still have co-insurance. I call it a hidden deductible. We'll discuss that in the next video. But a lot of times, if you look at the premiums and what you're paying, it's about cost. Whether you pay for it in premiums or you pay for it later at the time of claim, it's still going to cost you money. So what do you do about it? Well, a $500 deductible to $1,000, potentially you could save anywhere from $30 to $50 a month. You could offset it by saving potentially enough money to offset that additional out-of-pocket expenses if something would occur. Nothing may never occur, so you might as well take the premiums and save it yourself. Even when you went to $1,000 to $2,500, potentially you could save $1,500 a year in premiums over the next 12 months. And in worst case scenario, you would save enough money to break even, or nothing happens and you put more money in your pocket. So one of the biggest mistakes that people focus on is the low deductibles. Why should you give more money to the insurance company when most people are relatively healthy and most things never really occur? I mean, think about it for yourself. When's the last time you were ever in a hospital for anything? So think about it. So if you could take that additional savings, it makes healthcare a lot more affordable. You're a little wiser on your decisions of doing things, because with a lower deductible, it might give you incentive to take care of things that really may not be necessary, or your doctor pushes it and it wasn't really necessary to begin with. They just thought it might be a test since you already met the deductible. Somebody else is paying the tab. Well, guess what? We're paying for it in our premium. So it's a good thing to be a little bit wiser about your choices in healthcare, and one of the biggest things is deductibles. You don't want to overspend on your policy, so you want to make sure you're putting your dollars in the right spot. So hopefully this was helpful.